Hello students, good morning all of you. Now today we start place value and face value. Everyone know about the place value and face value because it is already learnt in the second standard. Now again we revise place value. First we divide these two words, place and value. Place that means जगह. कोई भी नंबर जिस जगह पर खड़ा होता है वहाँ उसकी वैल्यू क्या है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड प्लेस वैल्यू. एंड फेस वैल्यू. फेस, डू यू नो एवरीवन फेस? हमारा जो फेस होता है, हम चाहे कहीं पर भी जाएं, आवर फेस विल नॉट चेंज. जैसी मैं क्लासरूम में दिखूंगी वैसे ही मैं घर पे दिखूंगी, जैसे आप क्लासरूम में दिखोगे वैसे ही आप घर पे दिखोगे. दैट मीन्स फेस वैल्यू विल नॉट चेंज बट प्लेस वैल्यू विल बी चेंज. Your face same as in school as at your home, but place value, in school you are student but in home you are a child. Okay, so place value change according their place but face value will not change. Now we understand this thing with an example. The number is 8345. Now this is the place of ones, then tens, then hundred, and then thousand. So when our 5 stand on place of ones, so its face value is same 5 because 5 किसी भी जगह पर खड़ा हो but वो हमें 5 ही दिखेगा. So the face value of 5 is 5. The face value of 4 is 4. The face value of 3 is 3. And the face value of 8 is 8. Face will not be changed on any place. Okay, but what about the place value? Okay, so when our 5 stand on the number of ones, so what we read it? We read it 5. हमने इसे क्या रीड किया था? 8345. 5 रीड किया था. So 5 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या हो गई? 5. Ones, that means multiply by 1. Then 4 stand on the place of tens. Tens पे खड़ा है तो हमने उसे 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, so it's the 40. 3 stand on the place of hundreds, so it is multiplied by 100, so answer is 300. And 8 is stand on place of 1000, so it is multiplied by 1000, so answer is 8000. So this is called place value. Face value will not change on any place but place value change according their place. If it is stand on ones, so multiply by 1. If it is stand on tens, so multiply by 10. If it is stand on hundreds, multiply by 100. And if it is stand on thousands, so multiply by 1000. So we got our all place value. Now the second example is 1805. The face value is same number but the place value is 5 on the ones place, so 5. 0 on the tens place. When we multiply 0 with any number, answer is 0. 8 multiply with 100, so 800. And 1 multiply with 1000, so it's a 1000. So the answer is 1805. 0 is not readable. Okay, the place value of a digit increase 10 times as you move one place from right to left. जैसे ही हम राइट से लेफ्ट की तरफ जाते हैं तो उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू 10 टाइम इंक्रीज होती है. If 5 is standing here, so it is 5. But when 5 is standing here, so 5 times are 50. It's increased 10 times. Okay. Now the next is expanded and short form of a number. किसी भी नंबर का expanded और short form. What is the meaning of expanded form? Expanded, that means फैलाना. According their place value, we expand the number. अब प्लेस वैल्यू सबको समझ में आ गया है. इट्स अ 3467. नाउ वी स्टार्ट एक्सपांडेशन फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट साइड. ओके, एक्सपांडेशन फॉर्म ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट साइड. नाउ 3 ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ 1000, तो 3 multiply 1000, 3000. 4 multiply 100, 400. 6 multiply 10, 60. 7 multiply 1, 7. 3000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 7 equal to 3467. This is called expanded form. This is called expanded form. Also we should write like this: 3000. So we should write the spelling of thousand. 4 hundreds. So we should write spelling of hundreds. 6 tens. 60, that means 6 multiply with tens. So 6 tens. And 7 multiply with ones. So 7 ones. So this and this, both method are correct. Which method I ask you? On that method you write your answer. If I ask you in words, you should write like this. If I ask you in digits, you should write like this. Okay? Now the second number, 6048. 6 multiply 1000, 0 hundreds. So it's not needed to write in numbers or words both. 4 tens and 8 ones. 6000. So 6000. 4 tens. So 40. 8 ones. So 8. So answer is 6048. Because we have no 100, so on the place of 100 we should write 0. If we have no tens, so we should write 0 on the place of tens. 4176. 4176. And then we include on the place the sign of addition. Between two numbers we include the sign of addition. Now let us write the numbers in the short form also. Now how do we write in short form? Listen. Thousands has 30, 100 has 20, tens has 10, and ones has no 0. When we convert this expanded form in short form, what we are doing? First we cut all the zeros. 10 from here, 20 from here, and 30 from here. Now which number is coming? 2, 3, 7, 8. 2, 3, 7, 8. 2378. It's our answer. Now here, ones 4. So we write like this 4. Then tens. We cut this 10. So 5 we have. 10 after 2 zeros. But we have no numbers with 20. When we have no 100, we should write there only 0. And 1, 2 and 3 0 cut. So we got 6. So the answer is 6054. Look at here. Same answer. 6054. हमें जिस नंबर की भी प्लेस ना दी गई हो उसकी जगह हम 0 लिख देंगे. 6000 दिया था तो 6, but 100 नहीं दिया. So on the place of 100 we mention 0. Then from the tens we got 5 and from the ones we got 4. So our answer is 6054. Now next, 5447. Okay. Now first is 7. Then cut this 0. So we got 4. Then we cut both 0. So we got 4. Then we got cut all 3 zeros. So we got 5. So our answer is 5447. Now 8880 और वंस की जगह हमें कुछ भी नहीं दिया है. तो व्हेन वी हैव नथिंग वी राइट देयर 0. जो हमें नंबर नहीं दिया वहाँ हम 0 लिख देंगे. नाउ कट दिस 0. So we got 8. We cut this both 0. So we got again 8. We cut these 3 zeros. So again we got 8. So our answer is 8880. Same like here, 9876. Now, till the year everyone understand place value, face value, expanded form and short form. So now I move on the page number 14. Okay. Now on the page number 14, activity number 3. Write the face value, place and place value of the color digit. अब मैंने आपको फेस वैल्यू और प्लेस वैल्यू समझा दिया. नाउ व्हाट इज द प्लेस? If you are sitting in your classroom, so what is your place? Your place is classroom. When you are playing in the garden, so what is your place? Your place is garden. When you watching TV in your home, so your place is your home. So like that in the number, we know the places of this number. The first is ones, then tens, then hundred, and then thousands. Okay, this first one is ones, then tens, then hundred, then thousand. These all words are places of this number. Now first we put the face value. What I say you, our face will not change on any place. हम किसी भी जगह खड़े हो हमारा फेस चेंज नहीं होता है. 7 is the colored number. So what is the face value of 7? 7. What is the face value of 8? 8. What is the face value of 9? 9. What is the face value of 0? 0. Done. Now what is the place of this number? Now 7 standing bottom of the 100. So 100 is its place. 8 stand on bottom of the ones. So ones is a place of ones. 8, sorry. Ones is a place of 8. Now 9 stand bottom of the 1000. So 1000 is a place of 9. 0 is stand bottom of the tens. So tens is a place of 0. Now we know the place and face value. That means we have number and place. Now we want to find out place value. So 7 multiply 100, 700. 8 ones are 8. 9 multiply 1000, 9000. 0 tens are 0. So this is the place value. So now last two numbers you solve yourself according to above explanation. Understood? Now the next exercise is the numbers are written in expanded or short form. Complete the table. First is 6, 7, 8, 5. We know the places of this number. अगर आपको नंबर की प्लेसेस याद ना रहे तो आप उसके ऊपर लिख सकते हो. आपको अगर प्लेसेस याद नहीं रहती है तो आप उसके ऊपर लिख सकते हो वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000. And expanded form start from the left side. So 6 multiply 1000, so 6000. 700. 8 tens, so 80. And 5 ones, so 5. So our answer is 6785. Short form is given and expanded form we are doing. Now in next sum, expanded form is given and short form we should write. From the here we cut all 3 zeros, so we got 4. Cut 2 zeros, so we got 2. Cut this 1 0, so we got 9. And then we got 6. 4296. Now next is 5071. 5000. We have not 100, so it's a 0. 70 as a 7 and 1 as a 1. So our answer is 5071. Our page number 13 and 14 are completed. Remaining sum you do yourself. Now page number 15 is a mental maths corner. Okay, here I give you only few questions. Most of question we will complete in this video. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. The place value of a digit dash 10 times as you move one place from राइट टू लेफ्ट, जैसे हम राइट से लेफ्ट की तरफ जाते हैं, जैसे यहाँ देखो 9 यहाँ पर है तो 9 है, बट यहाँ चला गया तो 90, सो इट्स अ इंक्रीज, 10 टाइम इंक्रीज. द ग्रेटेस्ट 4 digit number is 9999. The sum of the place value of the digits of a number is the expanded of the number. जो हम उसका सम बनाते हैं नंबरों का, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म. नाउ सर्कल द करेक्ट आंसर. 5302 ones. Thousands is here, 100 is here, but tens is not here. So this is our correct answer. The place value of 5 in 3757. Now 5 is read as a 50, so we should write 50. Now these two remaining sum you do yourself in this textbook only. Review exercise. There are 206 bones in our body. अब हमें इस कलर को नंबर में लिखना है. It's a 206. 100 that means our answer in 3 digit. So it's a 206. 8848. 8848. Now bottom side, the given number write in the words. 1 is done. Second, you do yourself. Hot question. Find the number whose digit at this place. Now, अब हमें इसका नंबर बनाना है. मैंने बना दिया है, मैं आपको केवल इसको समझा दे रही हूँ. Now look, tens place is 7, तो tens के नीचे मैंने 7 लिखा. 1000 place is 4 less than 10. 1000 के प्लेस पे जो नंबर आएगा वो 10 से 4 लेस है, तो 10 minus 4 6. 100 प्लेस इज बिटवीन 3 and 5. 100 के नीचे जो नंबर आएगा वो 3 and 5 का बिटवीन, तो 3 and 5 बिटवीन 4. वंस प्लेस इज 2 more than 6. वंस के प्लेस पे जो नंबर आएगा वो 6 से 2 ज़्यादा है, तो 6 + 2 8. सो आवर आंसर इज 6478. So till the here our chapter number 1 is done. Again I show you your homework. Now page number 12 is reading, page number 13 is reading. Now page number 14 and 15 both are your homework. Few sums we are completed in the videos. Now remaining sum you can do yourself for the revision. Okay, so till then, bye everyone and have a nice day.